There's probably people that have, perspectives on both sides of that coin. But I think whether or not they're made whole, what's the time frame? Like, how much money does a patent holder need to spend in order to recoup the reasonable royalty? How many years does it need to wait to be compensated that reasonable royalty? So I don't think they're necessarily being made whole if the company, the licensee ends up paying 10 years later. I mean, in many cases, the time value of money is incredibly important. And if you have to chase companies around the world in different jurisdictions and file and spend millions and millions of dollars to recoup, the rational business person is only going to spend so much money to try to recoup their fair and reasonable return. And so, do they have to go to every court? Do they have to go all the way up through appeal to the Supreme Court, or with the highest courts, and wait for those decisions to be made? Or should, if they have acted in a fair and reasonable way and they've offered a reasonable royalty, shouldn't that, if the product manufacturer should take a license and make that payment, as opposed to continuing to fight? The facts need to be considered in every case, but I think there are circumstances where an injunction may be appropriate.